Hey guys, I wanted to jump on here and share this with you quickly. I tried something new this weekend because I had this stain on my sink and it's been there for a couple of years as a result of a toothbrush holder and soap dispenser that we used to have. It left a rusty stain on my sink and I didn't like it, but I just had no idea how to get rid of it. But I came across this idea of mixing equal parts baking soda and thieves cleaner together to make like your own toxin-free soft scrub. And I was like, cool, soft scrub wasn't really something, excuse me, that I used even before we ditched and switched our products out. But I thought, hey, I have baking soda. I obviously have thieves cleaner, so I'm just going to try this. Sorry, guys, I sound like a frog. Um, so I did. I poured the baking soda around the ring that this soap dispenser had left on the sink, and then I sprayed it down so that it kind of got almost pasty. And I left it there. You're supposed to leave it like 15 minutes. I don't know that I did it exactly 15. It's probably a little longer. But I just left it there and let it sit. And then I came back and it had already removed a good bit of it on its own. And I just scrubbed there, obviously soft scrub. I scrubbed around it until I felt like I had gotten like all of it off or as much as was going to come off. It didn't perfectly come away, but with my Thieves Foaming Hand Soap sitting right there where this soap belongs anyway, you can't even tell that this stain was ever there. So I was super happy with the results, and you guys can see that in the graphics that I've put up in the video. So if you're feeling like you've got something you want to get rid of, but you don't want to go back to using a toxin product, try this because I think it'll work really well for you. I'm super excited to try it on my oven burner catcher things that sit underneath my burners because those look nasty, and that is my next project, and I'll share photos of those at some point when I actually get the chance to do it. But I hope you guys have a fantastic week. We'll see you next Monday.